Today we're creating this candy cane look that looks more like a bauble, but I'm here for it. It's a Christmas look and we're in love. Come in, take a seat, let's do this together. Hello, welcome back my honeys. If you're new here, welcome. It's a fun place to be. Now that Halloween is all over and done with, you know what time it is. What time is it? It's Christmas time. As Mariah Carey likes to say, it's time! So today, we're going to do a candy cane inspired makeup look. Candy canes, candy canes, candy canes. That is all I am focused on this year. I want candy canes everywhere. All over my house, all over my Christmas tree, and all over me. All over the floor, everywhere. Coming out of my ears, everywhere. I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm literally just going to turn my whole face into a candy cane. It's going to be a bit of an abstract one possibly. I don't know yet. Wherever my hands take me. So once I've painted my face base, I am thinking about adding some little snowflakes to my face. Because realistically this makeup could look like anything, so let's make it look Christmassy and add some snowflakes and glitter maybe and red ribbons. I am going to keep it simple though, so don't be afraid, don't be scared of me. I'm going to keep it simple. We're not going all out in today's makeup because I haven't got long, and you know me, or you might not, but if you don't, then I am not very good with timekeeping. So let's just crack on, shall we? And for this look, I think you know what I'm going to use, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's the Mehron. I call it Mehron, but apparently it's Mehron. So, this palette anyway. Paradise paint palette. It's a time to be alive with products like this. I'm obsessed. I use it in every single look. It's heavily used, as you can tell, and I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm going to be using the red and the white from here. I'm obviously going to clean them up a bit first because so in my mind it is going to be easier to start with the lightest colour first. I mean, I think that is probably the case with everyone, so I'm going to start with the white and then I'm going to move on to the red. Let's go. Once we have got our white lines laid down, we're going to go in and fill in all the areas where our skin colour is showing with red. Very simple, I told you, hello. We're here for the easy looks that look difficult, but in reality, they're not. You could do it in your sleep. For the start of the red, I do feel that it is a lot easier and a lot quicker to go in with a thicker brush to start with and then neaten the lines up with a thinner brush. So I'm using the P. Louise E56 brush, which is quite thick, just to do the main parts, and then we're going to neaten everything up. Let's continue. Now comes neatening the lines. So I've got a smaller brush. This is a P. Louise 352. And I'm going to start with the white as I did first time around and just neaten the lines up, and then I'm going to go in with the red and do the same thing. Join me! Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout! Big winter blowout. So whilst I was just doing the white lines, my camera died. I didn't realise because I was too busy looking at my face. So we're just going to move on now. We're going to move on. And now we're going to neaten our red lines up. Hopefully the camera doesn't die again. It shouldn't do because this battery has been charging for way longer than it needed to be. So let's continue. So we're finished with the lines, and that definitely took longer than I anticipated, so I apologise for that. It isn't really the quickest of looks, but it is easy. It's just turned out to be quite time consuming for me personally, but we'll get quicker with practice. Now I'm going to take a white pen and run that through my eyebrows to give that snowy, icy, snow queen, frozen look. Okay, our eyebrows are done and I'm loving how much this is coming together. It just looks so Christmassy, so festive. I'm going to add my eyelashes, but before that I want to stick a few snowflakes on and maybe some rhinestones or something glittery, and then we will do the lip combo and the lashes and we will be finished. These are just some little felt snowflakes that I bought from the range in the UK, of course. I don't know if you have it in the US. Or any other part of the world, so you'll have to let me know if you do. It's amazing. I love it in there. I could live in there. I spent all my money, but I could definitely live in there. And these are sticky, so there's like a peel off thing on the back and you just take it off, and we're going to stick them sporadically on his face, on my face. It's just mine, it's not yours. I've just added some little diamante type things. These are the Winx Club individual crystal sheet crystals from Colourpop. I've misplaced my rhinestones. I'm bored of myself. I'm sick of losing things all the time, and I bet you are too. Now that I'm finished with that, I feel like I want to just add some silver, so I'm just going to go between where the red and the white is in some areas and just do some lines of silver. A Candy Queen baddie. I'm now going to do my lip combo on camera, eyelashes off camera, and we will return. So we are back. This is the finished look. I am obsessed. I say this every single time, but I really need to learn to trust the process more, because at the start of this look I was thinking, no, it's not going to go right. I'm going to have to cut this video short and just redo it another day. But it's turned out really cute. I don't know, like cute. I think this year will be the year that I finally get my act together and actually post regularly at Christmas, because every single year it gets to around Christmas time and here's, you know, me posting about 3 looks. So we're starting early. I know it's November, but I don't care because I'm a candy cane. I look like I belong on a Christmas tree. I love it so much. Is it candy cane or is it bauble? I don't know what it's giving more of. You decide. Let me know. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye. Mwah. From your favourite candy cane.